$1? What? Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, I'm going to be using a full face of $1 makeup. If you guys have not heard of SHOPMISSA, watch my last video. Don't say I never put you on. But anyway, I decided to try out their makeup because everything's $1. If you want to see exactly what I got, go check out the last video. But in this video, I'm just using like every item I got for a full face of makeup. I did not order any other lashes. I'm actually going to be trying out these iconic faux mink lashes. So they're synthetic, but they're a wispy, dramatic, handmade lashes, and these are actually from the Dollar Tree. So since I didn't order any lashes off their site, I decided to try these Dollar Tree ones because $1? Yeah, I'm just gonna get into it. Video, if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. I definitely like the SHOPMISSA makeup. Just I feel like it's hard to pick shades online because, you know, pictures, lighting, and all that. But for the most part, I like all the makeup I got. Like, I can't complain literally at all. I spent under $40 on a bunch, like a full face of makeup, where if you go buy the Fenty foundation right now, you're spending like almost $30. So So there's pros and cons to stuff. Just like not everything is gonna feel as good as most things, but I actually like everything I got, and I feel like a bad bitch, so can't nobody tell me nothing. Guys, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see more $1 makeup videos or recommend like products from them that you think are good for you and also good for people of color, because you know how that business goes. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to be launching my website soon in my business, so just stay tuned for more videos about that as well. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.